India versus Australia cricket rivalry has always been intense. Whenever the subcontinent team travels to the Australia, the amount of pressure that's built by the Australian team and the contemporary media is huge. Be it Sunil Gavaskar walking off the ground with his batting partner after given out in 1981 series, or be it the Monkey Gate scandal in 2008 series between Harbhajan Singh and Andrew Symonds, Australia tours have always had some or other controversies linked with them. The ongoing test series between the two teams is no exception. With comparatively weaker Indian team without its regular skipper and main batsman Virat Kohli, and with disappointing performance in the second innings of the first test where India got all out on 36, Australia had probably thought that it would walk over the Indian team in rest of the series. However, the Ajinkya Rahane-led Indian team came back strongly in the second test and defeated the hosts by 8 wickets. It all started after that. After a fan posted a video on his Twitter feed of Rohit Sharma, Rishabh Pant, Navdeep Saini, Shubman Gill and Prithvi Shaw dining in at an indoor restaurant in Melbourne, these players were placed in isolation as a precautionary measure, citing an alleged breach of biosecurity bubble in Melbourne on the New Year's Day. Cricket Australia and the Board of Control for Cricket in India launched an investigation into the matter, and there has been no official statement about the probe until now. After having gone through the testing owing to the alleged breach of bubble, the Indian team hardened its stand over the new COVID guidelines, with coach Ravi Shastri making it clear to the Cricket Australia management that it would not accept the conditions of isolation in Sydney if all the members return negative results. Even though the matter subsided and Indian team moved to Sydney for the third test, it has maintained reluctance to travel to Brisbane for the fourth test. A source inside the Indian team told Crickbuzz that the squad has shown reluctance to travel to Brisbane for the final test of the Border Gavaskar Trophy due to the mandatory 14-day quarantine requirements. After the alleged reluctance from the Indian team, the Queensland government responded saying the squad is more than welcome to not visit the state if they cannot play by the rules. Responding to the reports, the state's health minister, Rose Betts, said if the Indians don't want to play by the rules, don't come. As things calmed down a little and the third test started, Indian pacers Jasprit Bumrah and Mohammad Siraj became the centre of attention, giving birth to another controversy. Team India lodged an official complaint to the match officials after Jasprit Bumrah and Mohammad Siraj reportedly faced racial abuse from the crowd during the second and third days' play of the ongoing test match against Australia at the Sydney Cricket Ground. The tour has surely turned sour, and the last thing you expect in a civilized society is racial abuse. The ICC and Cricket Australia need to be very responsive to this, as the possible alternatives are not very pleasant for cricket, especially during the present circumstances. The Sydney Test has now become an acid test for CA interim CEO Nick Hockley, and we are in complete solidarity with our boys. Racial abuse is unacceptable, a BCCI official was quoted as saying by news agency ANI. Shortly after India launching the complaint, the International Cricket Council launched an investigation into allegations of racist abuse, as 6 people from the crowd were ejected and play halted for nearly 10 minutes. In a second incident, play was halted just before the tea break on Sunday when Siraj ran from the fine leg boundary towards the umpires, pointing into the crowd. It was not immediately clear what had been said, but police were seen removing 6 men from their seats. Australia Cricket issued an apology to India and said anyone found guilty of racist abuse would face a ban. Cricket Australia condemns in the strongest terms possible all discriminatory behaviour, said Cricket Australia's Head of Integrity and Security, Sean Carroll. If you engage in racist abuse, you are not welcome in Australian cricket. As series hosts, we unreservedly apologize to our friends in the Indian cricket team and assure them we will prosecute the matter to its fullest extent, the Cricket Australia said. Australian great Shane Warne called the crowd behaviour on Saturday shameful. Disgraceful, to be honest, absolutely disgraceful, he said while commentating on the match. Let's hope they come down heavy and find the culprits, Mr. Warne said. Former Australian cricketer Mike Hussey also condemned the incident. It's terrible behaviour and I can't believe it's still happening in this day and age. They should be banned for life from coming to cricket. The Indians have come here to our shores to entertain us. play some great cricket, and we should be so grateful that we can watch some live sport. To treat the players like that is unacceptable, Hussey told Fox Cricket. However, it remains to be seen how much this controversy will affect the ongoing series and whether Team India will travel to Brisbane for the 4th test. For now, the game of cricket is played in tense atmosphere and the dark clouds loom on the final test of Border Gavaskar Trophy.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.